This man we are loving on gets jealous. He's a jealous lover. He's a jealous lover. He's a jealous lover. He's jealous. Come on, we must never stop realizing that nature. He is jealous. God is jealous. From Genesis to Revelation, God is jealous. So this evening, all you are telling him is, Lord, you have my attention. You have my attention. From today, I will respond to your love. As it were, I will not cheat on you again. Friendship with this world is enmity with God. Go ahead, put it in your own words. Tell him in your own words, Lord Jesus, 2020 we count. I swear it we count. This year we count. All the years of drama has ended. This year, it will count. It will count. It will count in my family. It will count in this campus. It will count in Lagos. It will count in Nigeria. My love for you will count. I'll give you more than words, Jesus. I'll give you more than words. You gave me more than words. You gave me more than words.
Raise it up, raise it up, raise it up. Raise it up, raise it up, raise it up.